Okay, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button to get all notifications on when all my new videos are uploaded. And in this video, we're going to do an unboxing of a brand new LG Stylo 5 smartphone from Metro by T-Mobile. And this phone just came out 2 weeks ago. So it's barely brand new. I think it's like on the 1st of August, so it might have been like 10 days ago or something like that. So let's see what comes into the box. This is it here. I just gotta... Okay. Alright, so let's see what comes inside the box. Okay, this is kind of different packaging compared to other phones. But it tells you what it has. It's a 6.2-inch screen. There's a stylus that's included. It's a 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs storage on the phone, and it's expandable up to 2 gigs. So here's the stylus here on the bottom. This is a pretty neat feature. So let's see what else they provide in the box. Okay, so they give you the Metro PCS SIM card. They give you a welcome package, and there's the SIM card removal tool. It's in all the manuals. And then it has the USB Type-C fast charging cable, and then the wall charger as well. And that's everything in the box. It's a little bit different compared to the other ones. Hope you enjoyed and find the video informational. Leave any comments below. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends and family. And thank you very much for checking out the video.